new car. It's a very expensive car. It's a huge blue fast car. While driving down on the street, Carla sees a girl on the bicycle. She had long blonde hair and she's beautiful. He yelled to her, "What's up?" She ignored him. He yelled, "Wow, how's it going?" He yelled, "Hey, I want you to talk to me. I want to go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant." The turn the girl turned west of the park and looked at him.